to do like this, and look, when he do like that, and boom, it didn't. And if you go under and do like that, it will attack your feet, and you need to put some shoes, like sunglasses. Like this is a bodyguard. Oh.
Are you worried you're going out of style? Find the long list of affordable deals na swak sa budget on Shopee Styles. Meron pang free shipping araw-araw.
Now, wait. First, I need to stop this, okay? Wait. And security guide and shoes. Security guide, ball, and put boots. Put boots? Why? Okay, guys. But now see, because it's bad. Okay.
Who are you talking to?
No. To the friend. No.
It's
on YouTube. No, it's not a YouTube. Look. What is that? What is that? You know that app? What is that?
Did your mommy eat na?
And
Huh?
yes. And he's an old man. And in 1920s, he is a bodyguard. And he do like this, and boom. Okay, that's a okay. And they fight. It's a Frank, and they do it again. And this guy just go under, and he just do like this. Look. And he said goodbye to your world. And he comes closer and closer. And he do like and that's the end of the world. He said goodbye world. Okay, that's it. Okay. I'm super clenched. So. Nakaya, you need to wait for me. Okay? Oh my gosh, I don't need Robux.